Right, we're back. I don't think the noise of the pump is that much of a big deal. I think you guys can handle it. What we're doing right now is basically disconnecting the power, and for our last step we're gonna do the cutting of the water pipe. I don't know if you guys can see from there. First disconnecting this connection over here. A little uncomfortable because this, but it's doable. Alright, now that we are in this step, make sure to always, let's see how I can move this. Make sure to always check the power, even though you have your switch back there controlling the power. And for that matter, you're gonna get one of this to test the power. Just in case the switch goes wrong, or the breaker is wrong, or something is happening that you are not aware of. Keep the wire nuts off. First, test both cables. There's no power, as you can see, and then test each one independently, like this. From one to the cable, the other one to the ground, making sure that line is completely off, and then the other one. That one is completely off. Now you are 100% sure that there's no current going through. Alright, we're done with the electrical part. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut the pipes to isolate the pipe from the water heater. That way we can remove the water heater once it's empty. And then we're gonna put a new shutter valve. The one that we got up there, maybe you cannot see it, but there's one up there. It's pretty old, so we want to replace it for a new one. Now keep this in mind, before you start cutting any water pipe, you should have the water for the house completely off. And the reason why in this case has to be that way is because since we are replacing the shutoff valve for the water heater, there is no way to stop the water unless you go to the water meter or main valve for the house and shut it off. And now that we have this new shutoff valve, then you might be able to turn the water back on. But either way, it's a lot easier and less risky to have the water off until you finish the job. Now we want to wait until the heater drains, and then we will be ready to install the new one. I'm gonna go ahead and put new two fittings like this one in the new one and start working on that. You will see later on how everything looks like. Alright, now we're ready to install the new one. I'm gonna press the new shutoff valve that we connect on the line for the new water heater. We're gonna do it with this beautiful tool. Let's bring the new one in. That's the new one in. Now we just need to press these fittings and we will be done. Connecting the power line back in. And then bada boom. Now it's very important that before you turn the switch or the breaker for the power line, it's very important for you to have the water heater already full, because otherwise you will dry fire the elements, and that's not a good thing. It's very important to connect the ground first. That way you don't forget. And then you just put your wire nuts in each of the cables. And boom, bada boom. Alright, and we have now our new water heater installed.